Welcome to the PlanDesigner Advanced Tutorial Series. This series will cover many advanced features of PlanDesigner. Take each tutorial in order to fully understand the advanced functions of PlanDesigner. Now we have a blank workspace within our newly created tab. planLYNX has a feature called blocks. Blocks are comprised of more than one object into a named block. For example, let's say that you need to create fields in your plan to record tasks. You could create individual objects for each of the data points that you want to capture around a task, or you can use a task block. Blocks are used when you want to add more than one object to the plan at once. Blocks are shown by a form icon. Let's take a look at some blocks. In your Favorites panel, click on Data Blocks. Since we're creating a tab for task planning, let's drag the task block to our workspace. As you can see, blocks may not be formatted to your plan style. Don't worry, it's easy to move around all the objects of a task block. First, let's select all the objects on the workspace. Click on your Edit menu and choose Select All. You notice that all of the items and objects on this particular tab have been selected. Now that they're all selected, let's move the vertical alignment of the objects. To do this, select Format from the top menu. Choose Vertical Spacing, and then choose Increase. It may be necessary to increase the vertical spacing several times until you've reached the desired look. Continue to increase the vertical spacing until you've reached your desired look. The form block lays out each object on the workspace in a vertical alignment, one after the other. This may not be the look that you're going for, so let's go ahead and change some of the looks of these objects. Notice we can quickly move things around to any position we want. By left-clicking and dragging a square, we can select more than one object at a time. That makes it easy to move more than one object. Now that we've got all of our objects laid out the way we like, let's add some action buttons. Action buttons can be found in the Forms library. Click on Library Objects and use the Forms panel. Here you can find the action buttons such as Back, Next, Cancel, and Save. Let's go ahead and add a Save button. And a Cancel. As any other object, we can change the sizing of this particular object to have a little bit more width. Thank you for taking the time to learn about this feature of PlanDesigner. Take a few moments for a refresher quiz before clicking the next tutorial in the series.